Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'm going to show you how to repost on TikTok. This is a really easy process, so please follow along with me so you don't miss anything, because if you do you will not be able to repost on TikTok. So please watch this video until the end. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. What you need to do right now, guys, is obviously let's look for the video. For the video we want to download. So obviously we need to download this video, and because it's the best video obviously. And what you need to do is to tap on the share button right here, and now look for the copy link. As you can see, we have a button here, copy link. This option we have here, copy link. Please tap on copy link right now. And what you need to do right now is to go to your default browser, and I already tested here a few websites. But the one that I'm using is, but you need to start off with just searching, like writing down TikTok download no trademark. Okay, and look for this website, snaptik.app. Obviously you can try their app websites as well, but this one works for me. Now just long press on this and then tab. Now tap on download and wait. And now what you need to do is to tab on download server 02 full HD, close this ad, and now please tap on download. Now tap on the video and see if we have any TikTok watermark.
To me, and I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life is plastic.
Yeah, it works. Okay.
Me, and I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie.
Yeah, so this website works for me. Yeah.
If fantastic, you can touch my.
So as you can see, we don't have any watermark right here. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and take care, guys. See you in the next video.